हे गाइस, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल जस्ट शोबिज। इस वीडियो में हम लेकर आए हैं एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरव्यू ऑफ इंडियन टेलीविजन एक्टर आभास मेहता, जो फिलहाल एक वेब शो तेरा छलावा में नजर आ रहे हैं। तो आइए सुने आभास के साथ हुई पूरी बातचीत।
Yeah. So first, congrats on doing this show.
Thank you.
And moving from TV to web.
Thank
So
you.
how's the journey been for you?
It's been a little tedious because, as we know, our whole world was being hit by a pandemic. So I hoped that the transition would happen a little earlier. But because of the pandemic, I had to wait for a long time. And I'm so happy that my first break came from someone I love and adore, Kabir. And yeah.
So can you talk a bit about your character?
My character is, his name is Sharan.
Okay.
And he's a writer.
Okay.
Who is writing a novel, who is undergoing a massive writer's block.
Correct.
And he's not able to push his story forward. And that is how it is unveiled in the show, that the writer's block has got something to do with his past life, his incidents in his, not past life, in his past. And then the girl in the story, Sandeepa, who's playing Anjali, she helps him grow over that and complete the story.
So like, according to TV से web में शिफ्ट करने में कुछ challenges क्या है?
सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है, एक्टिंग में ज़्यादा चैलेंज नहीं है सर। सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है लोगों को कन्विंस करना, बिकॉज टीवी मीडियम एक ऐसा मीडियम है जिसमें आप हर रोज दिख रहे हो, कम से कम 4 साल तक, 3 साल तक एक शो चल रहा है। पीपल डोंट इवन नो योर नेम, दे नो यू एज योर कैरेक्टर्स नेम। सो टू कन्विंस अ मेकर, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉरगेट ऑडियंस, आप प्रोड्यूसर हैं, आप डायरेक्टर हैं, मुझे आपको कन्विंस करना है कि आई कैन डू समथिंग टू ब्रेक आउट फ्रॉम दैट and tell the audience that I am your guy, not that. That is the biggest challenge for any TV actor into OTT.
So what means ये अक्सर कहा जाता है कि if you want to make the leap of faith from TV to web, you need to take a break from TV.
I don't know that whether it is necessary, but I had to do it.
Okay.
Because certain characters I have played on TV which have had such a high impact that I was stereotyped magnificently. And then obviously the pandemic also added to the break. But I believe, and sir, break for any art or craft is a very good thing. Because if you jump from one project to other, you will be carrying
The baggage
into the next role, which may not be required. So unwinding is way more important than winding in any craft. So yeah, you should take a break.
एंड वेब में कैरेक्टर्स फिजिकली बोल्ड होते हैं, तो आपके में भी कुछ बोल्ड, इसमें बोल्ड
नहीं, हमारे शो में बोल्ड एलिमेंट, बोल्ड अभी टर्म आ गई है, बट इट्स ऑल नेचुरल। ऐसी तो सब है लाइफ में, हमारे शो में नहीं है, बट या
बट आगे चल के अगर कैरेक्टर बोल्ड हुआ तो मेरे को दिक्कत होगी। आपको टीवी एक्टर्स आर बिट स्कैर्ड कि हमारी टीवी इमेज की माँ बहन नहीं हो जाएगी।
बिल्कुल भी नहीं सर। अगर मेरे को कोई कैरेक्टर मिले जिसमें मुझे कुछ करना हो जो मेरी सेंसिबिलिटी से मैच कर रहा है, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता।
एंड व्हाट इज द फन ऑफ डूइंग अ शॉर्ट एज अगेंस्ट अ लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट?
That you know, the biggest advantage of doing a short format is you know the start, you know the end. So you know how to make a graph. In television, things change according to the viewership. So you may start off as a certain person, and by the second year, you are a different person altogether. Which is not a very factual thing in life, but in OTT or any short format, feature film, short film, anything, you know the start, you know the end, so you know the graph. You can make it on your own. In TV, you get surprised by reading scripts also.
So going ahead, so what else is there in your career?
I'm doing 2 more web shows.
Okay.
Haven't started shooting for them. One is going to go on floors next month. The other one will go on floor in October.
So for the time being, TV say taking a break for the time being.
Till I'm having fun in this, till I'm getting opportunities, there is nothing as taking a break, sir. The problem with TV is when you get stereotyped in one role, you are only getting certain types of those kind of roles. I wanted to break from that, not from the medium. TV is a beautiful medium. It has the maximum reach. I believe even now it has the maximum reach. And I am not from that family drama kind of genre. Even in television, whatever shows I've done, I've tried to do minimal of those and maximum of different kind of stuff. Like I've done a mythology, which was a lot of fun. One of my very, very popular shows on Star Plus was also technically not a family saga. It was a love story. So different stuff. I'm not of the mind of blocking a medium out. If I like something, even if it's a street play, I will do it. So it doesn't matter.
And I think unfortunately एक problem क्या है because of perception. See now since I've been covering TV for many years. So one thing I know is कि हम television को जितनी भी गाली देते हैं जो reach और उसकी है और एक उस और जब आप वो मुकाम पे पहुंच गए जो पर डे मिलता है वो बहुत फिल्म एक्टरों को भी नहीं मिलता.
OTT सर ये पर डे तो बहुत दूर की बात है. जो रीच जैसा आपने कहा
जी.
हमने जब हम स्टार वाला वो जो शो कर रहे थे इस प्यार को क्या नाम दूं, we had done a radio interview with Noreen Khan in BBC UK.
Yeah.
She got back to us in 2 weeks saying कि your interview, the whole cast, 4 of us, has more clicks than Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan.
Exactly.
So I was like, wow. So वो है TV का reach.
वो power है.
And whenever I travel abroad, मैं दुबई एयरपोर्ट पे people were coming to me from Somalia. We watch your show.
True.
And I'm shocked. तो फिल्मों का होगा, I don't know, but TV का तो है.
तो फिल्मों का कुछ एक्टर्स है.
हाँ, exactly. कुछ लेवल पे है.
पर जो
हर एक नहीं है, exactly.
एंड पर पिक्चर अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर फ्राइडे को पिक्चर आई मंडे को किसी देखा भी नहीं होगा.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
नहीं है.
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली. फिल्म आई और गई पता भी नहीं चला. वेयर डू यू हियर लाइक जुबली कुमार थे हमारे राजेंद्र कुमार थे 70 हफ्ते चल रहे. वेयर इज अलग गेम था. दैट्स डिफरेंट.
टीवी का एक व्हाट वी से ना टीवी का एक अपना मुकाम है एंड यू गाइस हैव गॉट अ लॉट थैंक्स टू द मीडिया.
Absolutely. Actors who had no, what do you say, knowing people or some, relative or anybody had this medium to come across. And secondly, not just that, so many people have learnt acting on TV.
True.
That they were picked up and we will teach you, don't worry.
Because
who will do this in a film?
इतने डायलॉग 8 पेज की रटना आसान बात नहीं.
कितने नए लोग स्टूडेंट्स को उठा रहे हैं कॉलेज से, तो उन्हें एक्टिंग भी नहीं आती. कभी फिल्म में ऐसा होगा नहीं होगा. They'll see a seasoned actor in it. So people have learned how to act while working and getting paid and handsomely paid, as you said. So it's a very beautiful thing. TV is so many people are employed. One show has some 200 people's crew.
True.
So all that, yeah, of course. And then there are so many channels now. There are so many shows going on. Very good.
Absolutely. So wish you all the best.
Thank you so much. Lovely song.
तो ये था हमारा आज का सेगमेंट. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको एंटरटेनमेंट की दुनिया की ऐसी और भी लेटेस्ट न्यूज़, गॉसिप्स और अपडेट्स मिलती रहें तो हमारे साथ बने रहिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए.